Hi, my name is Miriam, but kids usually call me Mimi. I teach English through recreation activities to non-English speaking kids ages 3 to 8. In 2013, I got my master's degree in recreation in the US. There, the focus of my studies was on the importance and effects of recreation on human development. The work I've been doing since then is something that brings me great satisfaction because I really enjoy being around kids and have fun with them. But most of all, it is amazing to see how kids' language learning capacity increases when they are involved in activities of their own interests. So I've created this website to present you my work of recreation in English. I invite you to explore this website and get to know in more details how kids can learn English while they're playing.